Wildcards are used for pattern matching. Thanks to them, we can use, for example, one command for multiple files. This can be best described by some examples, so just keep watching and we will see it in action. Wildcards can be used by many commands as cp, rm, ls, move, and also for string comparison in bash. But how wildcards looks like? Those are most common wildcards. From the beginning, it is nearly impossible to remember what wildcard symbols means, but you will used to it very quickly by practicing. So now let's go quickly through each symbol. Question mark represents single character, so if you write hell question mark, it can match help, hell, or hell1 for example. Next symbol is an asterisk, which represents any number of characters. It means even 0 characters, so CA asterisk can match car, CA, carpet, carpenter. Then we have square brackets, which represents single character from range. File 0-2 matches file 0, file 1 and file 2. If we don't use dash symbol between characters in square brackets, then the pattern matches single character from possible options. For example, HD in square brackets followed by ELO matches hello or DLO. So here we are choosing only one symbol from symbols specified in square brackets. Next symbol is curly brackets, which is used for comma-separate terms. We can, for example, inside curly brackets specify two wildcards separated by comma. Asterisk dot text and asterisk dot pdf. And as a result, we got all files which ends with text extension and PDF extension. Now it may be hard to understand, but when you try it, you will find it quite easy. Last symbol is exclamation mark inside square brackets, which means show any character not listed in square brackets. So file exclamation mark 1 will match file 2, file 3, but not file 1. We can also use some useful character classes. The most common are upper, which means any uppercase character. Then we have lower, which means any lowercase character. If we want to match any alphabetic character, we will use alpha. For numbers, we are using digit class. Alnum class basically means alpha plus digit class together. And space class means any white space character as space, tab or new line. So now we have covered a lot and you may be a little overwhelmed by it, but you will see that once you start practicing it, it is quite easy. Now let's check how to use wildcards in string comparison. For string comparison with wildcards, we need to use double square brackets. Double equal sign is not necessary but recommended. I am personally using it because it tells me that I am not doing basic string comparison, but using comparison with wildcards. And here is example how such a string comparison with wildcards can look in action. We have covered a lot, so now let's practice it on some examples.